So hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 15.4 update after iPhone camera not working and also iPhone camera black screen issue. Lot of iPhone user has been reporting to iOS 15.4 update after iPhone camera black screen issue. Now question is what to do. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. In this tutorial, I give you 3 tips and tricks that apply on your iPhone and iPad. This way too you can easily camera problem fix. When I open the camera, then you can see also black screen issue show on my iPhone and Android devices. So guys, now question is what to do. Now first one solution is most important. So guys, please make sure follow the steps. Now first of all, open the control center and turn on the face light. When face light is turned on, now open the camera. Open the camera. After you can see also black screen issue again show, but still wait for the sometimes like 30 to 20 second wait. Then face light is automatically turned off and your camera is turned on regularly. So guys, this way too you can easily fix your problems. Now second solution is most important. The solution is check screen time settings on your iPhone. Now first of all, open the settings. Now scroll down and tap on the screen times. If you turn off the screen times, so guys, please make sure turn on the screen times. Now tap on the continue. Now tap on the this is my iPhone. When this all the process done, after scroll down and select the contact and privacy restrictions. Now turn on the content and privacy restrictions. Now third one option is you can see also allow apps available. Now please make sure tap on that. Allow apps, you can see also fifth option is camera. Please make sure turn off it. Now wait for the 20 to 30 seconds. Now again turn on camera settings on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, this way too you can easily fix your problems. In this video now I will show you last solutions for that issue. The solution is reset all settings on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, how to do? Now first of all, open the settings app. In settings, scroll down and tap on the general. In general, second last option is transfer and reset iPhone. Tap on the first option is reset. Now again tap on the reset all settings. Now enter your correct passcode. Now again tap on the reset all settings. This way too you can easily camera problem fix on your iPhone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.